Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 14th chapter, that is light. In previous video already we have learned that what is that virtual image and real image. Almost that already I have told to I have explained that real image is formed by the concave mirror and it is also always inverted, and virtual image is formed by the convex mirror and it is always erect. Okay friends, so today we are going to discuss about that what is that mirrors. The mirrors is a smooth surface or polished surface which the light can reflect. Okay, and according to that smoothness and according to that surfaces, there are general difference. If that smooth surface is a plane, that is called as plane mirror. If the smooth surface is curved or the spherical, that is called as a spherical mirror. Okay, when that smooth surface will become like a curved shape, like a spherical shape, that we are saying that is spherical mirror. But the spherical mirrors are two types. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. Okay, so there are two types of spherical mirrors. The spherical, what is that? One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. What is that plane mirror? We are looking glass. Okay, we are always daily we are looking glass is called as a plane mirror. Okay, but convex mirror or the concave mirror, already almost all we are attachment about that, we know that our familiar with that, but we don't know, we are have no focus on that. Okay, so let us see what is that convex mirror and what is that concave mirror. Concave mirror means the smooth surface inward. Okay, the concave mirror case, how we can find out that concave mirror? Now if the smooth surface came inwards means you can see that. Another one small example I will give, then you can understand very easily what is that concave mirror and what is that convex mirror. Do you have, you are always you are eating or some snacks or rice or in that smooth with by the spoon. Do you know spoon? Steel spoon. The steel spoon, you can observe that there like this faces are there. The both sides are smooth surface. So both sides are reflecting surface. But it has, that's why it is the two mirrors. There are two mirrors are there. One whenever the inside, that means whenever we are substance or something food items we are taking, that surface is called as a concave, and that out surface is called as a, what is that? Convex mirror. Okay, convex we are dealing. So let us discuss about that. What is that perfectly definition and what is that about that convex mirror, how the image is forming, what are the object position will in this video. So let us start that students. Now first of all see that what is that mirror. Look at here friends, mirror, any smooth or polished surface which can reflect a ray of light is called mirror. That means when that light will get that reflect a smooth surface, if it is there, then that what the light will reflect, that smooth surface is called as a mirror. And the mirror when the reflecting surface is plane, then the mirror is called plane mirror. And when that reflecting surface is curved surface, then the surface, then that is or spherical surface is called the spherical mirror. You can write here spherical mirror. Okay, if it is a plane surface, then it is called as plane mirror. If it is a curved surface or spherical surface, then it is called as a spherical mirror. The spherical mirrors are two types. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. Okay, so now students observe here concave mirror. What is that concave mirror? First concave mirror we will discuss. The mirrors whose reflecting surface curved inward. Observe, this is one like that is there. Okay, so like that another one also I am doing. You can understand easily. So observe that friends, if smooth surface is this side, means like this side, this is outside. Now this is not smooth surface outside, this inside and plane I will make that. Already I have told how like the mirror inside is like that. This is plane mirror. So this side is smooth surface, opposite. Down is not a opaque substances. Same like this curved substances. This side is smooth surface, this is opaque substances that light cannot transfer. So this side is smooth surface, it will be reflect. And this is called, another one is there, how this side. If I do like this, you can understand. Now this side outside is the reflecting surface. So this is called as convex mirror, and this is called as concave mirror. Did you understand the difference? If the smooth surface is inward, that is called as concave mirror. If that smooth surface is outward, that is called as a convex mirror. So this is about that concave and convex mirror. So convex mirror, the mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward, that means outward that curve is there. So this is outside. So this is called as what is that? A convex mirror. And students, one more thing you should remember that whenever that in convex mirror or concave mirror, how that light rays is focusing, that you can understand. One I will draw here. Suppose this is one concave mirror. Okay. So this is reflecting surface, which side? This side. This is the reflecting surface. So if the ray will pass and all that rays, what will happen, friends? After that parallel reflecting, all rays will be focused, all ray will be converged one point. After that, this is called as what is that? The focus point. Okay, same like friends, focus. This is, if this is concave mirror focuses, concave, but convex, what is that? Now if the reflecting surface, this is, if we will keep like this, then what will happen? The ray, whenever it will come like this and like this, these all are parallel rays. Whenever this, they will be like that, what will happen? They will diverge. Diverge means like that they will go. Okay, they will go diverge with it, and after that they will meet like this one point. Behind that is called as a focus. So what will happen, friends? In that in convex mirror, what will happen? That means outside it will be diverges. The ray after the reflecting it will be diverged. So the convex mirror, that it will be diverge that rays after the reflection. But in concave mirror, they will be converged one point. That is called as a focus. Okay, where that point will be? That is called a focus. The focus will be here like this. It will be behind that mirror. Okay. So now, friends, we will discuss about that very important point. This is formation of image of concave mirror. That concave mirror, how that images are forming. Okay, whenever that place one object will placed in front of that one concave mirror, how the image is forming. Okay, so before that we should need that give very important for that, where is that position of the object. That position of object if you have to find out, then according to that calculation, according to that our this table, you have to understand that where is that position of that image. If you remember, then you can draw that ray diagram of that image. Okay, so remember, students, there are the 6 position of an object. Okay, if will the 6 position, if you keep, remember that also, and then after the 6 images, how that images are forming, you can understand. So by that, according to this tabulation, we can understand there are 6 positions. I am saying to you, one is infinite, that object position, 6 positions are there at infinite. Okay, beyond the C, C means center of the curvature. Third one is at C, means at the center of the curvature, between C and focus. Next at focus, and last one is between focus and poles. Okay, these are the 6 positions of the object. I have written that, C, students. At infinite, beyond the C, at C, between C and F, at F, between F and P. Same like if the at infinite position, if that object will place, where is that focus? Where is that image will form? Now at focus. Okay, where that image I am just telling. If the object is placed at infinite, then the image will form at focus. And what is the size of the image? Now it is highly diminished. That means pointed sizes. Okay, if the object is placed at infinite, the image will form at focus. And that image, what is the size of the image? The size of the image is highly diminished. Highly diminished means like a pointed line. Okay, and what is that its nature? The nature is real and inverted. Real and inverted. So real and inverted, already I have told, if it is a concave mirror, all the images will form What is that? Real and inverted. Okay, except last one. Second one is what is that, students? Beyond the sea. When that beyond sea will be, then where the image will fall? Now at sea. Okay. Sorry. Beyond the sea means between F and a C. Whenever that object is placed beyond the sea, the center of a curvature just behind it. If then where the image will fall? Between center of the curvature and a F. That means if you will understand that, if you will make here, students, suppose this is one mirror. If this is the position, this is the P. Suppose this is F, this is the C. Okay. Now object position you can mark that. First one, what is that? Infinite. Infinite means outside that anywhere it will come. Second one, beyond the C. Beyond the C where? This is the C. Beyond C means object position like this will come. Okay. This is called as beyond the C. Okay. Next image where it will fall? Beyond the C means between F and C. Between F and C, image will form like this. Between that F and C. Okay. Next, what is that size of that image? That will be dimension. That means pointed. Before was pointed, then after dimension means little increases. Then after what is the nature? Real and inverted. Next, third one, what is that? At C. At C means here. The object is at C. When that at C, where that image will form? There only. The image will form here only at C. Okay. And what is that size of the image? The size of the object is equal to the size of the image. Okay. What is that size of the object? Same as the size of the image also. And real and inverted. Same like between C and F. Where is that object? Now here. Between C and F. Between it if you will stay, then what will happen? The image will form at beyond the C. Inverted and beyond the C. Next, enlarge. That means object size to this will become little big. Enlarge. Okay. Next, that CF same like nature is real and inverted. Next, at F. If object is placed at F, F means here. At focus, if your object will stand, then where that image will form? At infinite. Remember the students, when that object is at focus, then that image will form at infinite. And last one is very important, students, between P and F. That's when that object will be here. Then here that image will form. Now behind the mirror, that means it will form here and large and erect. What will form? Erect also, not inverted. I have written virtual image and erect. That means behind the mirror. Behind the mirror it will form enlarge. It will size will be increased, and also behind the mirror. And what is that? Virtual and what is that? Virtual and erect. Okay, students. This whole about that, students. Image formation by the concave mirror. Same like we'll discuss about that image formed by the convex mirror. How? Now like that 6 position are not there, students. Why? Because the convex mirrors is a virtual image which will form. So that's why what will happen? Generally only 2 positions are there. One is infinite position object and another one is between infinite and a pole. Okay? Any finite distance one object is there. Okay? So thank you all students. You should mark it all that notes. You should make it in notes all and prepare well, and we have to remember that. Okay students, thank you all of you. Next we will discuss about the ray diagrams of concave mirror and convex mirror. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.